Take a look at the radar screen from Wilmington, Ohio at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the 6th of July, 2022. That's an outflow boundary, the leading edge of cool air that was cooled by the rain from thunderstorms to the north. It acts like a mini cold front and can often cause thunderstorms to get stronger. There it is, in between Blanchester and Goshen. As it nears Goshen, thunderstorms near from the west. When they interact in the Goshen area, an EF2 tornado with 130-mile winds is born and moves to the east, causing great damage. That pattern continues for the next little while. Now we switch over to the velocity patterns, and right there is the velocity pattern for the tornado near Loveland. Two of them right there combine into one for the tornado, the EF2 in the Goshen area, and then finally the velocity pattern for the Lake Lorelei tornado there. The next thing meteorologists look for are debris patterns. Right there is the one for the Loveland tornado. It heads to the east. There's a new debris pattern for the tornado near Goshen, the EF2. And then finally the debris pattern merging with some other ground clutter for Lake Lorelei. Rotation is another factor that we can watch. You see two rotation centers there in northern Hamilton County along Interstate 71, moving eastward right there into the northern part of Claremont County. Now, that becomes a little bit on the complicated side here near Goshen. You can see the two centers of rotation right there. The centers kind of become diffuse. They begin to get their act together, and then watch this. Boom, right there, a center of intense rotation. That is the tornado spinning up just to the east of Goshen. You see the tornado warning come up. In addition to the tornado warning, you see that triangle that represents where the computer algorithm thinks the tornado is. It all moves toward Lake Lorelei, and you see the more centers of rotation continuing but more diffuse and not as organized. And finally, a little bit more rotation shows up as the tornado comes to an end.